washing mostly saying, I am Prajakta, how are you today? How is life and everything going? Good? Alright, I am good too, thanks for asking. Okay, so you and me today are going to be talking about the types of people that annoy me. Now you're going to think, who are you? Why should we know what annoys you? No, I don't know. That's not what I'm saying. All the other random, useless stuff that I talk about on this channel, you guys actually relate to. So I know that I'm not the only weirdo on this planet. So let's talk about annoying people, shall we? Number 1. The non-Maharashtrians. Now I don't know how much of this is true in other languages, like maybe in the south, maybe in the east, maybe in the north. I don't know how much, but I'm going to tell you what happens with me. I absolutely hate it when I know that the person I'm talking to is a Maharashtrian whose mother tongue is Marathi, who speaks Marathi. So when I talk to them in Marathi and they reply back to me in Hindi and English, and I'm just like, why? Me, I am a proud Maharashtrian. I love my language. And I hate it when others don't recognize and love the language as much as I do. Oh, okay. What was that? Yeah, I'm actually working with a creative agency. Yeah, it's good. Baki? Great man, Rachel. Let's catch it soon, yeah? Bye. His name can possibly be something like Yash Godbole, Kori, or any other Maharashtrian surname. Talk to me in Marathi when I talk to you in Marathi, please. Annoying person number 2. The hand swingers, especially in a city like Mumbai where people literally live next to each other like that. That's how cramped our city is. That's how cramped our streets are. That's how cramped usually railway stations are where these people usually meet you. You should keep all your body parts to yourself. Be a little compact. I hate it when people walk like this. Do you even care about the fact that other people have sensitive organs? There are so many times when I'm walking on the station, I'm just like, oh, no, don't do that to me. You can't just bruise people on your way up to the platform. Person number 3, Mr. Sprinkles. Okay, small piece of advice, say, don't spray. I have enough water in my washroom to take a shower every morning. I don't have to sit next to you in a train just to speak like, I hate it when your particular particles are on my face. No, that's not the reason why I didn't do my makeup this morning, so you could just, spray me with your paint. That sounded wrong. Do not spit at me when you talk. Person number 4, the plastic sound. If you know me at all, or if you don't, let me tell you, I absolutely hate it when people are two-faced. Okay, you cannot be someone else in front of me and then someone else behind my back. That gets very confusing. Then I don't know which face of yours to smack. Person number 5, the jukeboxes. I have realized that the jukeboxes make an appearance in a lot of my videos. Anyway, the jukeboxes are the people who do this. Spare me, oh God, spare me. How do you expect people around you to bear with you when you are a harmony of gross? Type of people number 6, the peacocks. When I tell you what this stands for, you are gonna think I am a sick person. These are the people, men, who pee on the streets. Now, when I said peacocks, it was just a very honest translation from what my Aji used to say, okay? Where every time we were on a drive to some place and Aji wanted everyone to divert their attention to people peeing on the street, she would be like, hey, tama more. I swear she did that, and we were always like, just cause they say whole hour is hour, no, it's gross. I cannot even tell you the number of times when I get these nightmares where I am sitting in a local train on the window seat, because hello, that's the best seat in the train, and there are men standing in rows. So if you are in the train like this and you look outside, men are usually peeing like this, right? I get nightmares of them peeing like this. It's bad. Person number 7. These are the kind of people who think they, just because they're good at maths, they are like, good at maths, I get this. I know I suck at math. You know I suck at math. And everyone who doesn't know yet, guess what? I suck at math. That doesn't mean you come up to me with random numbers and throw them on my body just like, calculate. That's not a fun game. I hate it. Play Scrabble, play Monopoly. I don't want to play math. I hate it when we're in a restaurant and we have to like calculate the bills for everyone to pay, and they give me the book and they're like, go, you do it. It's an unusual thing to be annoyed with. Maybe you don't connect with it as much, but I just thought you should know about it so you don't do it with me again, please. And finally, the stars come late. So, type of people number 8. These are the people who let their kids free. Just like that. Just like that. I don't like it when I'm eating my food and there's a kid standing next to my table just like, okay. हमारे टेबल पे भी है. No! Not just restaurants, supermarkets and other places. And then they go to the counter just like, hello Roshni baby, come to the counter. If anybody sees a small girl in a purple dress, send her to the counter. Why would you do that? Why would you let your kids loose? Put them in one of those back sacks and strap them on your bag, or just put them in the trolley that you're putting everything else in. Do anything, just don't let them loose. I totally understand if you think I'm not that much of a likable person right now. I totally understand, but hey, we need to have that family vibe going, so we accept each other anyways, right? Don't leave me, please. Anywho, so that was the types of people that I get annoyed with, and I'm sure some of it also annoys you. Put that in the comments below and tell me what you connected with the most, and other types of people also that are, because there are so many people in the world and all of them are so annoying. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Mostly Sane. I come up with new videos every Thursday. Until we meet next Thursday. Love.